Good morning. Today we're going to install a doorknob. So we have here this typical doorknob, and we have the keyhole here and the exterior knob. And we have here the rose. We can adjust this for the thickness of the door. And then the cylinder, which has this catch here for pulling the latch. And then we have another rose here for the interior knob, and the push button lock. So first we need to remove the interior knob. So to do that, we just need to press this pin in. Then we need to remove the interior rose. So there's a small crimp here. This one. And we'll just need to pop it out. And that exposes the mounting plate. So we have screws here. This one and this one. This is a strike plate. It's mounted to the frame using these screws. And it's got this ramp here. So the latch needs to be facing this for the door to close properly. Let's mount the latch. So again, facing the strike plate. And we'll just screw this in. So that's good. Let's just remove this film. Now we can put in the knob. So let's adjust the rose to the door thickness. And then let's push it in, making sure that the latch catches. And I think that did it. On the inside, we'll put on the mounting plate. And screw it on securely. It's a bit fiddly because we need to line up the screws with the holes. But I think we got it. Let's put on the rose. So there's a cutout here for aligning it with the tab here on the mounting plate. And then we'll just push it in. Finally, we put on the knob. So there's also a cutout here for alignment. push in the pin and push the knob in all the way. And that's it. We've installed a doorknob. Thank you for watching.